today. I saw a study recently where there were 5 different elements of dissatisfaction, if you will, or concern that lawyers were having about practicing law. And I want to talk about several of them, and the first in this segment that I want to raise is that there just is not enough time. 24 hours in a day, 5 days, or even 6 days a week just is not enough to get all the work done that we need to get done. And I'd like to suggest some options for you as to how you might be able to get more done within the same amount of time. Is that an oxymoron? I don't think so if you follow some of the recommendations that I want to make to you today. First of all, the principle of delegation is the principle that enables any organization to grow. And the principle of delegation is buttressed by another principle, and that is, do that that only you can do. For example, only you can practice law because only you are licensed by the state of California or the state of Illinois or the state of New York, whatever your jurisdiction might be. Only you can practice law. But even within the context of practicing law, you can hire an associate to help you. You can hire a paralegal to help you or a qualified secretary to help you. You can also hire somebody, whether it be a virtual assistant outside your office or somebody within your office, to take care of all the clerical kinds of work that get in the way of doing the legal work. Create a system, which is the second element that I want to mention here. Systematize the work that you do, because much of what you do is repetitive, whether it be setting depositions or drafting an estate plan or whatever it might be. There is much that is repetitive. So to the extent that you can use technology to systematize what you do, you'll be that much further ahead. A side benefit of systematization: 2 things. One, you get your work done faster, but more importantly, perhaps, is that you then begin to create an organization. You then begin to create what I would call a business. And a business will bring a higher sale value, if you will, at whatever time you're ready to sell your practice or merge your practice, than will a practice that is heavily emphasizing only an individual lawyer. In other words, a sole lawyer or even a partnership where everything falls on the shoulders of the lawyer, on the mentality of the lawyer, is not worth as much as is a system of the practice of law. So between delegation and systematization, you have a higher chance of getting more work done in the same period of time. Another element overlaying both delegation and systematization is the idea of knowledge management. As attorneys, what we are really doing is managing knowledge for the benefit of our clients, creating solutions that we then can manage in the future for other clients. So as you systematize your operation, think in terms of this concept of knowledge management, how you file things, how you can retrieve bits and pieces of information or documents in the future. To the extent you can use knowledge management effectively, you will be better systematized and more profitable and more effective for your clients. Thanks for joining us today.